got your butt wet. You got your butt wet too, Liberty. Yes, you did. Tickles on you. Yes, I know. Oh, sorry. Try to keep the head out of your water, please. Okay? Gotta see if I can get out there. This is how much it was blowing. There's snow inside the shed. Man. I gotta see if I can get around to the chickens. Don't know if I can get through or not. Meow, what? Yeah, I'm not sticking around too long, that's for sure. Well, this is what the girls think about the snow. They're not impressed. The tarp I had up here, well, you know, second year, I'm not surprised it didn't make it. So, I gotta cut this down. Find my knife. You know what? It's a pretty good tie strap. I'm going to have to cut the baling twine. It's protected them somewhat. Okay. Yeah, I know, girls. This is not going to protect you very well, is it? Well. You going to try and come out, girls, huh? Come on. Bet you if I got some corn and some other stuff out, you would. Well, I thought I was going to get the shovel that I had in here, but I don't think that's going to happen. They have not ventured over there. There's been a few small birds here. But these girls have not really ventured much out of the hen house. So, if they're thirsty, they'll eat the snow. And it's going to be melting and causing puddles anyway. So, I don't know where the shovel is. It's somewhere underneath all this snow. Alright, girls. I know you want sunflower seeds. Okay. Whichever brave soul. Come on. See how brave you are. Come on. Come on, there's plenty there. Come on. Come on. Somebody's a brave soul. We'll see how much they really want it. They just do not want to get their feet wet or cold. I don't blame them. Don't blame them one bit. Sunflower seeds, that'll get their attention. Come on, it's not going to kill you. It may make you uncomfortable, but it's not going to kill you. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, there's plenty here. Don't let this leghorn eat all of them. Come on. Come on, old boy. Come on, there you go. That's it. Show the girls how it's done. Come on. There you go. Kettle will do it. Oh, sunflower seeds. Kettle will do anything for sunflower seeds. Yeah, make sure there's plenty. Yeah, all right. And come out and get some fresh air and some sunshine. Oh, my toes are about froze. I don't know how much longer I can do this.